I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Chrome not opening. First, ensure your internet connection is stable and working correctly. A simple restart of your computer can often resolve temporary glitches. Check if Chrome is running in the background using Task Manager and end any processes. Sometimes, a quick system reboot is all it takes to get things back on track. Make sure your operating system is also up to date for optimal performance. If the initial steps don't work, try disabling your antivirus software temporarily, as it might be interfering. Next, perform a thorough system scan for any malware or unwanted programs that could be blocking Chrome. A clean system is crucial for smooth operation. Finally, consider resetting Chrome settings to their original defaults. This can resolve issues caused by corrupted configurations or extensions. When other methods fail, a complete reinstallation of Chrome is often effective. Make sure to uninstall it fully before downloading and installing the latest version. If the problem persists, your user profile might be corrupted. Try creating a new Chrome profile to see if that resolves the issue. Also, ensure your graphics drivers are updated, as outdated drivers can sometimes cause display and application problems. For persistent issues, clearing your DNS cache via the command prompt can refresh network settings. Additionally, Chrome has a built-in cleanup tool that can find and remove problematic software on your computer that might be preventing it from opening. And speaking of enhancing your space, check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to bring convenience and entertainment into your home. We hope these tips help you get Chrome running smoothly again. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tech solutions. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.